Hey guys, welcome back to Total Evelyn. This is day 8 of Edinburgh Festival and I'm back at George Street, the assembly rooms. They've been so kind to me, they've been helping get some performers for me to chat to, and that's been really fantastic. So I want to say a huge thank you to them first of all. Also, join me after the break because I'm going to be interviewing some interesting people. Stay tuned and subscribe, like and share. See you soon. Very excited to meet you, Alessandro. Nice to meet you. Wow, doing 2 kisses, it's great. And this is your show.
Yes, it's our show because it's a team and it's their show. It's their show because the acrobats, these 5 African acrobats, they put all their effort in the show. So I will say that it's their show. Even if I directed, I created, I produced it, but they put the energy.
They put the energy in it. They look great. I'm really looking forward to coming to see it tomorrow.
Thank you.
And it says here you've got 5 stars.
4 stars, 5 stars. Yes,
5 stars.
Both the audience and the journalists seems that they like it, so we are very happy. We are very happy.
And you are in the Assembly, George Street there.
Exactly.
Yes. And you're in the big
big venue. It's almost full. We have made several sold out, and it's always more than 500 person inside normally.
Fantastic. Is it a show that goes across the world? Is it?
Yes, you know, these boys, they come from Malindi, Mombasa, Africa, Kenya, but they study in Nairobi. I cooperate with a circus school called Sarakazi, and since, a few years ago, they are young, but I'm not, so I started to cooperate with the school years ago, and then 5 years ago we found this group. And for my opinion, very good. And we start together to think about the new show because before this show, they were working as a jungle show, more, let's say, in a classical, traditional way that I like it. But we decided to study something different, so we start to think about it, and then we arrived to this style. It's still African because you know that the blues, the rhythm and soul comes from Africa. So,
so this is called the Black Blues Brothers.
Exactly.
Right? Because I asked a question as well. I said to David, who's on the camera there, I said, wasn't it Blues Brothers? Right. And he said, it's the Black Blues Brothers. So what's the difference? What are they doing that's different from the Blues Brothers?
We think that these 3 words are not only words. I mean, black, blues and brothers, they are also kind of feeling, a kind of sensation, a way to be. We mix all that together, and you will see tomorrow. You need to be. They are not brothers. 2 of them, they are cousins. But I mean, the way they trust in each other to do the thing that they do. You have to trust in each other. So that's why they are brothers. Black because they put all the feeling of from, and blues because the music and the style and everything.
So nice, isn't it?
Yes. I hope.
That's
at
amazing.
the moment, the audience love the show, and we tour around all Europe, and we have made already 600 shows, and so in Hungary, France, Spain, Belgium, Italy, and I don't know, 5-6 more.
What's the audience like? What's the response?
Yeah.
Yes.
We have done 18 shows, and I think we got 16 standing ovation. So at the moment,
amazing. That's so good.
At the moment, it's good. Yes, we are very happy.
Well, it says energy and charisma and abundance, highly recommended. One for review. A terrific team, whether projecting all smiles, energy, or exuding a showbiz version of laid-back cool. The list, an excellent mix of acrobats and comedy. That's a Broadway baby. And everything looks effortless. I mean,
but the last 3 words, into our hearts.
This
is more important.
That is, isn't it?
This is the more important.
That is so good.
For us and for the guys, the most important is to go inside the heart and the feeling of the audience. So
that's amazing. Oh, thank you so much.
See you soon.
More kisses. I hope you enjoyed that video. That brings me to the end of vlog 8. Really enjoyed meeting all these fabulous people. So in view of how creative they are and how much energy they've got. It's absolutely brilliant. And as I said, we've only got like the rest of this week to really enjoy it and appreciate the festival. So just please try and support them. They're not here for long, it's only 1 month in August. So I'm going to cram in as much shows as I can possibly cram in to the end of the week. But anyway, until then, join me for the next vlog, and that'll be vlog 9, doing really well. Until then, subscribe, like and share, and give me a few comments if you're enjoying the videos. And thank you so much for all your comments. In the meanwhile, see you soon. Bye!